You know, one thing I miss by being a carnivore is bread, especially on my cheeseburgers. So I'm going to try to make a bun that's carnivore and see how it turns out. And oh, look, I made one. You want to see how I did it? Stay tuned. So I've got some butter, about a tablespoon of butter in this. I'm using this because I'm going to cook the bread in it in the microwave, and it helps give it that bun shape about the right size. I'm going to throw that in the microwave real fast. I'm doing, if I can get my hands on it, this is about 1/3 cup of milk powder. And we're going to do 2 tablespoons of collagen powder. Butter's probably ready. I'll let that cool for a minute. I'm going to do 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and this is a 1/2 teaspoon, so I need 2 of these. One whole egg. Gonna go ahead and start mixing this up. Now I'm gonna put just a touch of Italian in it, about that much. A little bit of Redmond salt, about that much. Touch of black pepper, or white pepper rather. Now we're going to pour in our melted butter. Another good thing about melting the butter in this dish is that I can have it pre-greased. Now I'm going to mix this up. Oops, better catch that mess. Now I'm going to take some of this everyday bagel, everything bagel. I'm going to put a little bit in the bottom of this bowl because I'm trying to experiment. Okay. And now we'll put all this in here, the microwave bowl. Now, so I put it in the microwave for 2 minutes, and in the process of filming, the storage on the phone was full, so I had to do some deleting. So I just pulled it out of the microwave. I'm gonna let it cool. But that's what it looks like. It's fluffy. Let's let it cool. I'm gonna go ahead and cut it in half to make the burger buns so that both halves can be cooling. Here is 2 batches that I made. You can see they're thick. I think they're going to be really good for cheeseburgers. So there you go. I'll show you when the burger is ready. You know, I didn't come up with this recipe stuff on my own. This is my version of a conglomeration of things that I picked up from various other videos. So I want to take this time to give a shout out to a few people that I remember and know that has made something similar to this. And I don't want to forget them, so I wrote them down. Lily Kane, Bella the Steak and Butter Gal, Ketogenic Woman, Jenny Middich, and Chris Cooking Nashville. I'll link their channels below, so check them out and learn a lot more than I can teach you. So I have here some homemade mayonnaise. A little bit of that on there. Touch of mustard too. Slice of bacon. And there we have it. Nice cheeseburger. I like it a little rare. It was good. Bread is not quite as soft as normal bun, but it works for carnivore. Thanks for watching.